I'll tell the story.
He was a very rude, boisterous and self-sure engine.
Who couldn't see the tracks before him.
But I knew the truth more than either you ever will.
I look just so
Okay, where these Don trucks at?
Don't be so rude.
Hey, bud.
You just be careful. You're not in a war zone now.
Hey guys, what's up? Thank you all for watching this trailer that I made, and I hope you guys are excited to see the remake. And it might will take a while before you guys can see the actual video, but what you guys just saw was just the quarter beginning of the video. So it might will take a while, but if you guys stick around, if you guys subscribe to the channel and stuff, you guys will see the video eventually. I'm working on it right now, right after when I post this video, and in the meantime guys, hope to see you guys in the brighter and later.